Hello and welcome to Ideas in Trends. Today we will tell you decoration ideas of fruit. Many mothers suffer from an inability to persuade her children to eat fruits and vegetables. But today we give you more than 50 beautiful fruit decoration ideas which take the attention of the children and make them happy when to get the fruit dishes. Try these ideas to motivate your kids. The eyes eat fresh first. On this video, we want to inspire you the ideas for fruit decoration and vegetables for making the taste of pleasure and fun by making funny faces of fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins. Food and drinks are an integral part of our lives. The situation is different with the children. For them, the fun and games are most important. Children want to frolic and play. In fact, it's hard to convince your child health nutrition such as vegetable and fruits. Mostly kids love candy, colorful things, and full of sugar even if unhealthy. One of the biggest challenges facing parents pursue a child healthy food and stay away from sweet and harmful. Perhaps today it's easier on you and to help you with some ideas for vegetables and fruits decoration and scrumptious to do it in your kitchen. Nice idea for fruit dish: decorate it in the shape of a peacock by using grapes and pears. Children volatile mood day by day, and we cannot always in the same way their satisfaction, the need for renewal and diversity all the time. All innovative way to convert the fruits such as strawberries and carrots, grapes and kiwi with crisp snacks to beautiful shapes such as fish in stars and little turtle. This idea is a very easy to decorate dish of fruit for children on sharp warm. Use a lemon slice as the sun. Funny ideas: draw parrots as the banana peel. This idea very wonderful colorful. This idea very wonderful colorful butterfly shaped and appetite for children using many fruits such as oranges, strawberries, kiwis, grapes and berries, and appetites for children using many fruits such as oranges, strawberries, kiwi, grapes and berries. Tangerines and bananas to fruit dish idea for kids on the occasion of the day of Halloween. You can use these ideas too for decorating your home in Halloween occasion. Arrange fruits as rainbow by using strawberry, grapes, marshmallows and pieces of mango. Decorate the strawberries with chocolate as the form of ladybird beetle. Light and useful dinner for children by using strawberries, watermelons and marshmallows. Providing children cut pear-shaped owl using pear and marshmallows. A beautiful way to school lunchbox through putting the banana-shaped dolphin in the small grape as a ball. You can also use some of these fruit ideas for decoration. Fruit decoration is a great idea for making the food look appetizing. The reason some chefs select certain kind of fruits to decorate in each meal because they are fresh. They have distinct shapes and various colors. You can DIY fruit decoration both in meat dishes and sweets. Anywhere there is a party, there must be barbecue. One barbecue can contain meat, vegetables, and fruits. Especially you can garnish fruits to decorate in barbecue as cut a pineapple into triangles, half split grape, or pop in a strawberry and make way to a yummy barbecue. Many families often eat smoked turkey breasts on special occasions because it's one big meal which his whole family can eat. The best thing that can make smoked turkey breast look yummy is fruit decoration. You can slide in orange slices or grill some apples and keep it around the turkey. You could even throw in a few pomegranate juice to make it look very appealing and different. Ice creams are very flavorful, sweet and soft in taste. It can be a great combination to be eaten with fruits. Nowadays, ice cream toppings are everything. Fruits can be great topping because it looks good and in mouth-watering. Some kind of fruits which you can decorate on ice cream are cherry, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, banana, kiwi, peach, orange, lychee, apple and pineapple. The fruity version of ice cream can be quite an experience. A fruit cake will never go out of fashion or out of taste. Birthday, wedding or New Year party, a fruit cake is always a healthy and tasty option. Fruits like orange, kiwi, mango, raspberry, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries and grapes, etc. can make a one-of-kind cake. A healthy person often drinks a smoothie because it is great for a busy lifestyle, especially one can get complete nutrition from a smoothie if you bought of the simple looking smoothie each time. Try to throw in some blackberries, blueberries, decorate the rim of the glass with fruit slices to make it look appetizing. So there are so many ideas in so many ways to decorate your fruit plates, and you can garnish your dinner with fruit decoration. So if you choose any of the idea from our video, then must comment in comment section, and also share our video and subscribe our channel to get more ideas in unique trends. Thank you.